Kipchoge.
Kuma thaa 5:14 niguo ELIUD Kipchoge afujire rekodi ya gukorwo ari mundu wa mbere thiini wa thi gutengera marathoni ya kilomita 42 gwa kahinda ka thi wa mathaa meri. Ndeto iria gegiria andu thi ng'ima oro undu umwe na gutiga gikeno bururi-ini wothe wa Kenya, Akenya magikungwira uhotani wa umwe wao. Maithori ma gikeno matingihithikire uthio-ini wa andu mieni itiganite bururi-ini kuma mwena wa Eldoret, KICC na ona guku wabici-ini cia Kameme. Andu matigũtigĩtwo thutha magikungwira na mbuu, ngemi na aria matanahota maya mothe makirugaruga o ta thia.
Kandi ona yatorie nema iya ikirekia meko uguo na ya meko uguo cheki macho jiangalilie kule maundu cio athita ndege
ikaraga guku Eldoret kejuge umuthi twina gikeno muno tondu oria Kipchoge atengera tutigwiciragiria uguo tondu nitukuonaga ihenya riu tari rinene muno
inwe nacio ni atonga wa ni milionea eliake akire oroma na tikuyugithia hau atire shortcut ndetha kama mwana umeze kwerutera bindi yake ndio imesema. Kwa hivyo ona mbaya bwana.
Oho mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta undu umwe na atongoria matiganite ni matogeririe Kipchoge ni undu wa kuiga bururi wa Kenya kamuhari-ini ka mbere thiini wa thi na muno makiria kurehe ngumo itakariganira igi bururi uyu murathime.
We stand proud of you, and one of the greatest moments for me was when I saw you cross the line 20 seconds short of 2 hours. And the first thing that you put in your hands was the Kenyan flag.
And showed that the impossible is possible. We are so proud of him. God bless him. God bless Kenya.
We have done it again. Kenya's flag today is right there on the screen, on the portal. We are extremely happy. We are very, very proud of Kipchoge. We are proud of all our Kenyan athletes.
Noguo niguo gukuhanaga Akenya magikungwira uhotani wa ELIUD Kipchoge eta mundu wa mbere kwengera thiini wa kilomita 42 thiini wa thi wa mathaa meri. Undu uria ni githomo gia bata gia kuonania ati ithue turi ta Akenya no tuhote gwika manene. Bata munene ni mundu ungituhura njeki. Andu-ini ya Kameme TV itagwo Jenga Wabui.